Hello and welcome back to ACARANdaQuestion. My name is Dustin Keller.
And I'm Jason Adams, and we'd like to thank you for joining us today. And a reminder to like us on our YouTube channel and subscribe to us on all of our socials for more fun videos.
Give us that thumbs up.
Hey guys, welcome back to ACarAndaQuestion. I'm Jason Adams.
I'm Dustin Keller, and I got the one and only John Bucci back again.
So we had this question come in on our YouTube channel, and I think it's a great question for you guys to take a stab at here. How can I prepare my car for a long road trip? Doogie, you want to take that one?
A long road trip. First of all, what's the definition of a long road trip? Because a long road trip for Jason might not be a long road trip for me.
Grove City.
Grove City?
It's a long trip.
Okay, well, if you're preparing to go to Grove City, start with making sure you have gas in the tank. Okay, make sure you have air in the tires. Make sure you have oil. I always tell people that if you're going over 100 miles at one drive cycle, check your oil. Especially cars that have over 100,000 miles on it. What's your opinion, John?
I agree with you on that one, Doogie. It's definitely a good idea to check your oil before you go. Checking fluids is important. I mean, obviously there's some that you can't see. There's a lot now that don't even come with a dipstick that you'd actually have to have a certain tool to verify the levels. So, I mean, but you are correct. I would say washer fluid, check. Air pressure, check. Oil in the vehicle, check. As far as,
Fuel?
fuel, yeah, fuel's good, I guess.
Yeah.
It was questionable.
Yeah.
It's questionable. I mean, because if you have an electronic car, you gotta make sure you have your plug and play.
I love it when somebody says, my car died. I said, how much gas do you have in it? Oh.
Oh, you gotta put gas in?
Oh.
That's crazy.
Okay, pre-trip.
We've had a couple come through with no gas and it won't start.
Well, guess what? If your fuel pump goes out and you don't know it, your gas gauge might not work.
Right.
Very
So
true.
that's another scenario you just kind of got to think about. So, hashtag Ask Doogie.
Hashtag 2375 Schrock Road. If you bring it to me, I'll be more than happy to make sure you're ready for your long distance trip.
That's awesome.
Hashtag subscribe to ACARANdaQuestion.